In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a brochure on Google Docs using two methods. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Docs. Let's open a document from here. This is a document that I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to create a brochure for this document. Brochures are commonly used in marketing and advertising to educate potential customers, promote special offers, or introduce new products. They serve as a compact and convenient way to highlight key features, benefits, and contact details, making them ideal for distribution at events, in stores, or through direct mail. In the title bar, click on File. In the drop-down menu, click on Page Setup. In the Page Setup menu, change the page orientation to Landscape. Now you have to decrease the margins of the page according to your needs. In my case, I will change them to 0.25. You can also change the page color from here. Just select your preferred color and click on OK. In the title bar, click on Format. In the drop-down menu, click on Columns. From here, you select two types of columns. This one divides the page into two columns. If you want to divide the page into three parts, go back to the Columns menu and select the three-part page from here. You can also add a line separating the columns here. To do this, go back to the Columns menu. This time, click on More Options. In the pop-up, check the Line Between Columns option. You can also change the spacing between the columns, but I will leave this as it is and click on Apply. Here you can see that a line is added between the columns. There is another way to do this. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the drop-down menu, click on Table. In the pop-up, select three blocks of columns. Bring your cursor to the bottom of the table and drag them. Now paste your data here. The problem here is the data of the second table will not follow the data of the first one. So I recommend you use the first method. Following the first method, you can create a brochure of your data easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.